What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're live. We're active. We're about to go live. So I'm doing a breakdown on this particular trade that we just placed right now. You can see the trade is still running and about to secure. We'll start securing very soon. Start securing very soon. But you can secure already because price has moved. Price has moved. About 30 people already. Yeah, it's about 30 people. So you can secure any position you want to secure on this trade if you want, guys. You can secure any position you want. So I'm going to do a proper breakdown on this trade. I'm going to show you guys what I think, and I'm sure you guys who I'm going to be closing the trade because very soon I'm going to be closing the trade. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at on this trade. So okay, I think this is the time I look to start securing. You should secure profit here, guys. Yeah, let me update the group. Let me update the group, guys. Let me secure profit too. Let me secure profit too, guys. Let me secure profit too. Yeah, secured. So I just secured profits. I just secured profits. So guys, that's it. So I'll be doing a breakdown on the trade. This is about 50 pip close full. So we secured another one on the stream. 50 pip close. Yeah. It's dipping more. My likely see 100 people on this trade. 70 as 80 pip. Yeah, I close I close early, man. This would have been 100 people now on this 90 pip, guys. This is 90 pip. Oh my, oh my, oh my. 130 pip close. Okay, guys. My headset is down. The audio is not. I don't know why, but the audio is not working. So I can. It's not producing audio to me. I don't know why it's not doing that. So okay, let's we continue our song. So 1 second, guys. I'm gonna do a proper breakdown on everything I'm looking at currently. Um, 1 second, guys. So the stream immediately the stream started. I call out the trade, although I wasn't on live, but I sent it. I wasn't actively live, but I already sent the trade on the group. This was like I just sent out the trade on the group. So if you're on the group, you probably will have gotten into the trade as much as I have already. So this is an early trade. I usually don't place trade this early. So looking at the way the whole thing is, I might not likely um looking at the way everything is, I might likely not place any trade at all again. Okay. So Okay, guys, let's do a breakdown now. Let's do a breakdown. This was a good, nice trade, and this was a good attempt yesterday that we had. Um, well, trade against the trend, and anytime we trade against the current trend, sometimes we pay for it, sometimes we make from it. So, regardless of that, let's do a proper breakdown. Let's see how we can maximize or how we can make money. But that being said, we have already placed our trade today, and that'll be all. And that'll be all. Now, looking at this gold, what was I looking for gold to come? Likely here, but gold as so. How? What made me enter this trade? What made me look for opportunities in this gold trade? What made me place a trade in this gold trade? I'll be doing that breakdown currently, and 1 second, guys. I'm having issues with my. I suppose Spotify is giving me issue. Give me 1 second. Okay, while that is loading, let me give you a breakdown on this trade. So basically, yeah, if you look at this chart of yesterday, where I placed the buy from, I was anticipating sales below the structure, but price never gave me the level I wanted. Even after, even after the whole buy didn't work out, I also waited for price to give me some kind of confirmation in order for me to look for possible sales as well. But I also never got that, in the sense that I was waiting for um a, a closure below. I'm actually expecting price to close below. I'm looking for like a I'm looking for like a bearish closure below like this. So I can split price rejecting the upside the next candle, and I can look to buy at the candle flip. So this was another thing I was looking at on gold, but I never got this attempt for sales. So that's why I'm still very long. Yesterday we stayed close to 2 hours on stream, about 1 hour 30 something minutes on stream yesterday. But that being said, let's let's work our way through. Let's work our way through. Let's work our way through. And let's see the whole system. Let's see what we are working with currently. So looking at gold now, um, why did I place a trade? Why did I place a sell on gold? Now gold has a strong level of support down here, which it has rejected off from. You can see rejection. Even this one came down close to rejecting, and price moved back to the upside. I know if you guys can hear me. So this is a strong level of resistance where price has rejected multiple times. Even the previous 30 minutes, price rejected all those levels. You can see price coming down, rejecting it. This bullish candle rejecting it. This bearish candle indicates that we have strong momentum to the downside. There are a lot of buyers than there are a lot of sellers than buyers. So me seeing this bullish close was a perfect confirmation. Now the next candle didn't push up immediately, push down a bit. Let me see if I can see it. Okay, not sure. So he pushed down like the first 1 minute. Like I said, we don't enter trade of the first 1 minute. So the first 1 minute pushed down, then it came back up to create a topic which I was anticipating price to do. The moment I saw the topic, the moment price started pushing downwards, so I placed a I didn't place a buy stop or sell stop. It was a market execution, so I just instantly placed a sell on gold, and voila, gold moves. And there are days I love this kind of moves. These are the moves. These are the moves that we love. But these days, market has not been giving us these opportunities. Or when we see this kind of opportunity, the price has already done what it needs to do. So we usually miss opportunities like this on gold. So that being said, okay, guys, just give me 1 second. I need to update WhatsApp and let people know that I'm live on stream. Okay, guys, we're live on YouTube. But at this stage, I don't think I will look to place any trade anymore because I have a trade that's running in profits. I've already secured already. So let's see how it goes. So let's see how it goes from now to like 30 minutes before I close the live. So if you know your cash up, let's have some convo together. Okay, guys. Going back to the charts. Just give me 1 second. I'll be with you guys a bit. I'm just trying to update some shit. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let me go back to what I'm saying. So I was bringing on this trade, and I was like, the reason why I placed this trade is that price has already retested this level multiple times, and because multiple rejections over this side, and the bullish move that closed weak pin bar indicates that price um hold on. Alpha bro, I will send you Zoom link now. So in the case that price has failed multiple times to continue pushing upwards and cannot continue. So the moment I saw the flip of candle, that's why I placed the trade to go down. So I'm already out of the trade. I've made money. I sent it out to the group. You can see it. This was when I this time now is like 7:58. This was when I sent out the trade. Sell gold now. This was around 7:34. Yeah, so the trade played out already, and I think that's it. So the trade already played out. So now I'm going to do a proper analysis on gold from the whole daily time frame. I'm going to do a top-down analysis so you can see how we're looking at the charts and how we look to place any trade. If you see another trade coming out on gold, so that's the next step for me to do currently now. So you get so let's start from the daily and let's clear off everything that we see there. Let's clear off everything. We're looking at the daily time frame. I spoke yesterday that price has broken a level of resistance above this level here. This was the level of resistance I was talking about. The price broke above that. Price has seen price has broken above this level. There's a possibility of price to keep pushing upward, but instead the previous candle, which was yesterday Monday candle, end as a bearish pin bar. See, this is how it ended. So I was anticipating this price to probably keep pushing upward. But again, I mentioned something yesterday that is there's a possibility that price has not created its top week yet. So we're still yet to find the top week where price wants to bottom week, bottom rejection, like how low the whole market wants to go. So the possibility that price has not created is low yet before initiating its bullish move. So we are still waiting for price to do that in order for us to jump into the trade or place an opportunity. So that's what we are. that's what I'm just waiting for. Do you get me? So that's what I'm waiting for. Price to create. Um, 1 second, guys. So that what I'm looking for. Price to create is low. Then after it's low, you start pushing upwards. So looking at, let me go back. Let me actually type the weekly. Let me see something. Let me show you guys something. So looking at the weekly has, you see it, the weekly also closed strong bullish above this level. Price has been rejecting since, and the only reason why price will likely continue pushing down if this move, this break and close of the weekly is a fake out. So the only reason why this price will likely not continue is if this is a fake out, and this price likely in 3 days price close below the structure. Then you can see that price will likely still range inside this zone. Then I have to move this as my new resistance level. I have to move this as my new resistance level on the weekly time frame. But for now, this is where it is. And since the weekly has not ended, anything can happen, and this candle can decide to start pushing upwards. So that's what I'm seeing currently on gold. So let's work our way through. So let's go back to the daily time frame and let me show you guys what I was saying on the daily. So on the daily, price might likely want to come below this structure here to retest this level here. So we have a level here, price might likely to retest on the weekly. And if we get a bearish close below the structure, then then I might anticipate that this is actually a fake out and price will likely range for the week. And then again, I'm the one that moves the market. I'm just here to react to what I see in the market, and that's what I did today. I reacted to what I was seeing in the market, and that's how I was able to secure some profit. So that's how it all works. Just react to what you're seeing, the way price is showing you. And once you can react quickly, then you'll be able to make money, and that is it. So let's scale down to the 4 hour time frame and let's see what the 4 hours is doing. So the 4 hours, the level I draw still holds. This is my 4 hour support. Price is price is holding that level strong. You can see how strong price is holding my 4 hour support level. So anticipating price to I'm anticipating price to do something in order for me to place a trade. But for now, there's nothing else I can do for wait. So looking at the 1 hour as well, let me go down to the 1 hour and show you guys what I feel like it's been on 1 hour. Mind you, already made money this morning, so there's no need to even pressure yourself on anything. There's no need for pressure. If you are here and you didn't catch the trade, but don't worry. If I sell that one, I'll call it. But I'm me, myself, I'm not placing the trade. I'm done for the day. I've secured the bag already, so there's no need for me to pressure myself on anything. But looking at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the 1 hour has a level here, which price is currently coming to retest. This price is quickly coming to retest. Hold on, guys. This price is coming to retest, and you can see that price is even breaking below the low. So in order for me to look for any opportunities currently on this chart, I need some kind of pullback. So price has to pull back from this level that it has gotten to here. This was where we got ourselves from. Ourselves from was around here, and it moved over 130 pips. So if I want price to do anything from this level, this might be a buying level. I don't know, but I need price to reject, create some bullish momentum like this, like create some bullish momentum, push up. We're not going to rush to enter the street like we did yesterday. So we see when we see some bearish momentum, price creating like a level of resistance at that zone and decide to push back up, like push bullish back up, like push strong bullish back up, breaking above the new resistance level that price has created. Then we can look to sell when price rejects up the level. Then we buy the markets as price flip. So this is another thing I'm looking at on gold. Or if price break below the structure, then you can look to sell. So for now, the selling momentum is too strong, and if you didn't catch it earlier, I don't want you to be chasing trade unless it's your setup, unless that what you're looking for price to do in order for you to enter the market. Unless that is it, there's nothing else you should be looking for in this market. And we just got to London section right now, so expect crazy stuff going on. But like yesterday, there was no really, you can see this is a level, this is actually a strong level. Yeah, so anything can happen around this level. But for me, it's a no. I have no business trading this pair currently now because I've already secured my bag already. So let's go over to GJ and let's work our way through to GJ. So GJ2 is on a rampage, and you can see GJ is pushing to the upside. What do I want? I don't really like GJ. See, I entered GJ yesterday and see how GJ struggled. Like luckily for me, I was able to move my stop to break even before um price came down to it was break even or on stop loss. I was able to move. You can see how GJ. The first L we had on this on stream was on GJ, and now you can see what RGJ is misbehaving. Anyways, that being said, let's go over to let's let's go to our daily. Let's start from our daily on this one and let's work our way through. So daily GJ is obviously bullish. You can see almost the same explanation I explained on gold. There was level of resistance, price has broken above. So this is level of resistance that price has broken above, and you can see that after that break, price came down for a retest, which I feel like that what gold is doing currently on the weekly time frame. So price came down for a retest, and after a retest on the daily, you can see that price is currently pushing upward. Likely, price might move to recover these highs, yeah, or before that to get to this high or something. But what we do, we just wait and look, or if we can see any opportunities on the lower time frame, we look to execute it and hold the trade. So looking at that, we go to the 4 hour time frame. And in 4 hours, you can see that price has broken above this 4 hours highs, this resistance, multiple rejection of these highs. You can see price has broken above and anticipate price. Currently now I can anticipate price will come back to this level here on the 4 hours. But that being said, let's drop over again to the 1 hour and let me see what the 1 hour is telling me. Now, in order for me, you can see that the 1 hour has rejection, multiple rejection, and price might come here and you can see it did the double top here and it fell. So the possibility that price might also come back here and reject off this level. I might see a fall of structure or something, but I have no business trading GJ. So if you're looking for opportunities, I will tell you now that you should wait for price to pull back a bit, give you a bearish momentum, and it should create a resistance, some kind of resistance for you. So I want if here can be the new resistance, price printing out bearish momentum, and once you look to push up, then you can look to buy. But for now, there is no setup on GJ. I don't even like breaking down GJ because most of the time after I analyze GJ will just do as he likes. So that's why I'm anticipating on GJ to do. Unlike gold always respond to my setup. The way I'll tell you, okay, this is what I want gold to do. That gold always be like that. So that's it. That's all I'm saying currently now. And if I get any other opportunities, I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know on what I think will happen. So that being said, so today, guys, I have a guest. I have a friend of mine as a guest on stream, and I don't know if he wants to talk. Yeah, just if I want to talk, I'm going to give him room for him to talk because it's my guy. He's my guy, and I'm going to give him room for him to talk. So just a bit. I've been trying to get him here for a while though. Well, currently now is on the stream. No, as a trader, I know that trading is usually very boring. Trading alone is a boring thing. I know what you guys are, most of you guys are going through. So back to gold. Let me pull back my trade. So we know that yes, I had a win today. Unlike yesterday, I'm a trade it out stop loss. But that it is. That's what it is. You see that yesterday we had it was a 20 pip to stop loss we had, and you can see if you're using the same rigs we're using yesterday, you can see that today you already made back your profits because price moved over 100 pips. So you have made like your loss and you know already up in profits, good profits. If you rig the same rigs you used as yesterday, like the same lot size, not the same. I don't know if you I know how you guys do your rigs, but if you use the same lot size, you already see that price was already in profit. So this was the trade you placed today. This was exactly the trade you placed today. So let me give you bro. Alpha bro, you hear me? Alpha, you hear me? Like say me and the hear you. No source. Blah, 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 blah. Alpha, seem like the issues for me though. So I can't hear you, bro. can hear you. But I really can't hear you. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why you can hear me. I know I can't hear me. Anyways, that being said, um, I can't hear you. I don't know why. I can see that you are talking. I can actually see you can talk, but I don't know why. Maybe remove from the Zoom and join back. I don't know. Maybe exit and come back. Or let me even check. Let me check on my end too if there's anything that I can do. I don't know why it's not working. Alpha. Okay, guys, you can see exactly what I was talking about here. You can see what I was talking about. That gold will likely reject from that level. You can see it's exactly the way I anticipated it to do. That's what gold is currently doing. It's rejecting of that level. You get me? It's rejecting of that level. Nothing to see here, guys. Nothing to see here. We're like 40 minutes in the live stream, and nothing to see. You already had a win on gold, and um, for people that want to buy, this might be opportunity for you to buy. Well, I have no business buying it because I've already made money. You understand? So what you can see here is that um, like I said, I have no business. So as price is closing like this, the next thing you can likely see is price rejecting. You can see like price might likely pull back a bit. The next candle will pull back. Then at the flip of the candle, you can look to buy the price like this to the upside. This is another thing you can likely see on gold. But like I said, me, I'm already done for the day, so I have no business trying to trade gold or something. Yes, I have no business trying to trade gold. Let's see if it's going to play out that way. Let's see if it's going to play out that way. But I have no business trading gold. I just mentioned. So we're already 40 minutes into the stream, and I most likely won't even bother looking for an opportunity. Let's see how it goes. For some reason. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Today was almost the same thing that people that was in this level will be doing. They were looking for price close strong bullish above this side, so you can actually buy it. But you can see it's not ended as big rejection for the whole structure. But I don't know. On the 5 minutes, it close above this level with rejection. Maybe flip can buy it for. This is not my setup. This is not my trade. I prefer to trade breakouts. Breakouts is it works effectively if you know what you're doing or you catch it in the right spots. It works. It has a higher chances of winning than breakout or brace continuation something like that. Unless, like I already told you guys, what I anticipate price to in order for me to give this a shot. Like for me to give this a shot, I already told you guys what exactly I'm looking for price to do for me to give this a shot. But if it doesn't do that, then I'm fine with it. There's no stress. Like there's no stress. Like no absolute stress on this trade. So when today's stream is poor, we just have like one person coming in and I mean two people coming in and coming out, guys. You guys are not sharing this thing to people. People don't know. People are missing out on this stuff. But then and I guys, you guys are hiding knowledge. You guys share this into people. Let people see what's going on. So they can also make money as you guys are making money too now. Hmm? Share it out to people. Okay, I think GJ is actually creating the level I said it should do. So I think it's rejecting of that level now. So for GJ, but you already the buy opportunity was the first opportunity was here. The second opportunity was right above this level. So you put your stop loss below here for like 7 people, or if you want to play safe, you have taken it down to like 15 people, and if you see price move 16 people. So you played out, played out for break and retest. You actually played out for break and retest. So if you're looking to enter GJ, I think you already had an opportunity and price play out quite well. Okay, guys, just been monitoring gold. Let's see what gold does. So I can just tell you guys that I just send it for a while. So like for me, sorry guys, I'm actually distracted doing other things based on I've already placed a trade today and secure some profit. So I'm actually be distracted doing other things. But if I see any other trade, I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on the trade. Okay, this price are created and high, so let's see if it's going to push down or if you just do whatever it wants to do. Like I said, mind you, already secure profit for today, so we just playing around, passing time. That's what we're doing. But if you get any opportunities, but get like any valid opportunities, maybe you give it a try. But basically just passing time. That's what we're doing right now. We're just passing time, guys. So let's say at the 30 minutes close. It's 30 minutes. This 30 minutes close. Even if 5 minutes close, we'll see a lot about what's gonna happen next. As tempting as it is, I'm not gonna give it a try. As tempting as it is, as tempting as the whole setup is looking, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm going to buy it. I'm not going to do that. This structure alone is 90 people. So I cannot be placing a trade for 90 people. That's not possible now. Unless I want to place all the 5 minutes. And 5 minutes, like this trade alone, unless I reduce my lot size, it's going to take off my profit. And I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. First thing is to make profit. Second thing, as a trader, the first thing you need to do, as a trader, the first thing you need to do is um as a trader, the first thing you need to do is make profits. And the second thing you need to do as a trader is protect your profit, then multiply that your profit again. You understand? Make profits, protect your profits, and try and multiply your profit. That's what the things you need to do as a trader. So I ain't trying to lose my profit I just made, guys. I ain't trying to do that. So I made it, I'm securing it, and I'm protecting it. So whatever is going to happen is tomorrow. I'm looking for any opportunities in the market. Like this is a move. Like every day, I always tell you guys that there's always a move for the day. So that's why you don't necessarily need to trade every day. There's always a move for the day. Understand? But it doesn't mean that your setup will play out doing that move. You get me? There are some days that it will play out and we not even get our entry. So just trade will just play out. You understand? Like yesterday now, I felt like I forced a trade yesterday. This trade was absolutely forced and it was supposed to be avoided. Like I would have avoided this trade because I broke down the reasons why the trade was avoided. I didn't wait for all my conversion didn't play out. So if all my conversion play out, the trade wouldn't have played out this way. So I didn't wait for all my completion. There was no bottom week. I entered impulsively, expecting price to volume to come in and price to keep driving to my direction, and it didn't go that way. So that's why we took an L yesterday. So you can see there's always a trade, there's always an opportunity, but if once the opportunity didn't play out for you, then that's not it. Yesterday, this was the opportunity for sales. This was the sales opportunity yesterday. But I think that this trade didn't give us a top week, and I was dragging to place. I can remember that I was struggling to this was it. I remember I was struggling to place the trade. I was struggling. This was the opportunity yesterday. Like I think there's always an opportunity in the market. Like there's always opportunity in the market, but did the price do exactly what you want? Did it match all your criteria before you look to drag yourself into the trade or not? So that's the whole thing we're looking at. So you can see that this trade is playing out exactly the same way this one is playing out currently now. You can see it's playing out it's literally printing out the same stuff that the other one is doing. That's what this trade is doing currently now. But that being said, this is already 8:30. Wow, so fast. So fast. The stream is about to end. We tried for the day. The stream is about to end. So that being said, we tried. At least we got a good buy. And so far so good. We're on five trades for you have like five wins. We placed total of 10 trades so far on stream this month. So this is like our total trade we placed. So total of 5 trades and two loss and three break even and a solid win on and five solid wins on gold. So yeah, the 5 wins on gold. The one of the losses is on GJ, the other one is on gold. So basically we're like on 80% win rate on gold so far. But let's just wait and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to wait this out and see how it plays out if it goes below. So if you're looking for opportunities on gold, maybe I was saying to the group, I don't know yet. If this candle close below this structure here, then you can anticipate a pullback and you can sell to the downside here. That if it close below. But if it doesn't, how we can look for opportunities to buy is that price as what will happen that if this price close the way it's closing right now, the way it's closing like this right now, you wait for a bullish closure. Now, if you see a bullish candle closing like this, strong bullish candle closing like this, like structure like this, then you can look for a retest, then you can buy price to the upside. So this is another thing. Um, um, this is another thing that can play out. You get another thing can play out. That being said, let me take this line off first. Let me take this line off so you can show you guys where exactly I'm talking about. So yeah. So if you have few seconds left, so if you see a break below the structure, you don't necessarily even need to break. I don't think it necessarily needs to break below, but once you see volume coming in, retest, once you see that retest, then you can look to get. Okay, we got in that break. So what we need now is a retest. Let's see if price will likely retest the level before pushing down. I can see a small rejection. So this small rejection alone can make the price push. Let's see if it's good enough. Let's see if you can pull back. You can pull back well. And once you can see that pullback, then you can look to place a sell opportunity for price to keep pushing downwards. So that's what I'm seeing on gold right now. That might be good enough pullback. That is a good pullback actually. So let's see if that is good enough. Then you can look to place a trade or something. Yeah, you can sell gold you can look to sell gold like the way gold is currently now. 30 minutes. Yeah, you can sell gold from where gold is right now. You can place a sell on gold. Okay. You place a sell on gold. Once it flips bearish below the structure, you can sell gold. Should I? 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 Should I don't know if I should. Should I place one more trade for streams? Just for the stream, guys. Should I place one more trade? Should I place one more trade? Okay, this is looking like a good buy actually. A good sell. So if this trade close below, I'm not going to place the trade. I'm just sending it out. I'm not interested in trade at all. So if this candle close below, then you can look to sell this. You get me? If it goes below, you can look to sell this. You're watching your retest. That's the good enough retest. But if you look to just flip bearish, then you can look to sell it. But I have no business selling this now. I have no business being in trade currently now. So I have no business. So that'll be all for today, guys. That'll be all. It was nice streaming with you guys. So we have about let me allow the time to hit 1 hour. We have like a few seconds left. So we're going to see you guys same time tomorrow. Hopefully you get some good trades too tomorrow. And actually, okay, let me know. This doesn't matter anymore. Doesn't matter anymore. You can see why you don't rush and enter trades in the first 1 minute, because that might be just price fucking around, messing around. Sorry, for you to go the other direction. So remember what I said. If you get like a bullish closure above this level, then you can split price to start pushing upwards. So that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys same time tomorrow. Um, Same time tomorrow, guys. So take care and peace.